Today we're about to do a starter on this 04 Infiniti G35. It's the passenger side. I already got it up, so I already took off the negative terminal. Alright, so basically going under, show you how it is, show you how to do it. So let's get it. If you want, you can remove the wheel, but I'm trying to do it without. I doubt this gonna work. Okay, should work. Should work. Okay, so starter, passenger side, and it is right here. Okay, like I said, you can remove this wheel to get out the way, and the starter should come out this way toward your face. So this car has test pipes, so it's gonna be a little easier to take out. All right, so let's remove this connector that's on it right here. You see my hand, you see? This connector, you gotta squeeze down and push on it. Or pull on it. Now, there's 12 or 13 over here. You have to loosen. Let's loosen that. Then we have the two 14s. 1, 2. Alright, so let's do that. Okay. Let's remove the bolt first. That is a 12. Nice. Make sure you remove your negative terminal, or else this thing would have been sparking by now. Okay. Not sparking, but you know, if this thing touched some type of ground, it will spark. Okay, so that's the positive wire right there. I like putting the old the old screw on there. Sometimes I use a new screw, well, the old screw on the new starter, because sometimes their screw be looking weird. So now let's try to remove these 14s. Okay, this one. No, I don't. Okay. All right. It's both right there. Take that off. Okay. Shake it off, and let's take it out. Okay. You have to do a little twisting, but it should come out this way. Okay, that's it. Stick this out. There's the sturdy, oiled up starter. This shit looks shot. Look at it. If you want to double check that it's not working, go to AutoZone. They'll do it for free. Check it for you. There's the new starter. Make sure it matches with the old one. Make sure if you have a manual transmission, it's a manual transmission starter. Alright, if you have automatic, make sure it's automatic. Now let's put this in reverse wise. Okay, as you see, the starter is on. Now I gotta put the bolts on. Two 14s. That in there. One, two. Now we'll put the 12 back on there, or 13. Sometimes the bolt be 13. So let's put the positive terminal back on there and plug in the plug. Terminals, right? Let's find it. Okay, it's right there. This is 13. Okay, let's plug in the connector. Make sure it snaps in. All right, that is it. Start up your car, and it should work. Make sure you connect your terminal back on, then test